Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ms.CoilyP, and tonight I'm cooking again. It is 9:03 p.m. and my kids are in the bed, but they are not asleep. So you may hear them talk. You may hear me yell out to them. Yeah, you might. Also, yes, I know I'm ashy. It's time. The day is over, so whatever. And also, just in case you guys happen to notice, I lost 2 nails today. They are Valentine's Day nails done by my dear cousin. However, I think that my nails know that Valentine's Day is over, because like I lost 2 nails. Well, actually I lost 1 nail because of my son. Yeah, my next nail came off because I was doing something with my hoodie and the thing just popped off. So whatevs, you know. Anyways, but tonight I am going to be cooking something with chicken breast. You don't know what. I don't want to say it's gonna be one thing and then I get midway through and decide that it's gonna be something else. So you don't know. We just gonna use chicken breast and go from there. So first things first, I am going to get my gloves on because I don't want to touch the chicken tonight. I don't want to touch it. check it out. Spaghetti. And I'm just gonna add a piece of chicken to that. All right, here goes nothing. Your girl just did a thing. That is good. Oh my Lord. Finally a dish that I didn't bomb. Wow, that's good. And I'm so glad that y'all were here to witness. Look at all that cheese. That's good. The chicken is moist. It's perfect. It's not hard to chew. Because sometimes people be baking chicken and making chicken, and it be hard to chew, hard to swallow, all that. Chicken is perfect. It's moist. And I do taste a lot of the flavors, but what's really standing out to me is the cheese. The cheese is standing out, of course, because it's a lot of cheese, I guess. But I cannot taste the spinach. I can taste it, but it doesn't taste like spinach. It tastes like, I don't know, but it's good. Oh yeah, I taste the spinach. I tasted it in that bite. Maybe I didn't have enough on the fork. This is the end of the video. So thanks again for watching. If y'all have any comments or any feedback, definitely leave it down below in the comment section, because I definitely want to hear from y'all. If y'all enjoy this video, make sure that you hit the bell. You hit subscribe first, and you hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload my new videos. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't talk tonight. It's late. So, other than that, Ms.CoilyP signing out. Good night.